Welcome to my video. In this video, you will learn how to connect your computer to a local area network, commonly known as a LAN, in a clear and practical way. Whether you are working in an office, studying at home, or setting up a small business network, understanding how LAN connections work is an essential digital skill. A local area network allows multiple computers and devices to communicate with each other, share files, access printers, and connect to the internet through a central point. By the end of this video, you will have a confident understanding of how to connect your computer to a LAN using both wired and basic network configuration methods. A local area network is usually built within a limited area. A local area network is usually built within a limited area, such as a home, school, or office building. It typically uses Ethernet cables, network switches, and routers to create stable and fast connections between devices. Before connecting your computer, it is important to understand basic components, the basic components involved. Your computer needs a network interface, usually an Ethernet port, and the network itself needs a router or switch that manages communication between devices. Most modern desktop computers come with built-in Ethernet ports, while some laptops may require an external Ethernet adapter. To begin the connection process, ensure that your computer is powered on and that the network equipment is properly set up. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to your computer and the other end to a router or network switch. Once the cable is connected, your computer will usually detect the network automatically. In many cases, the system will assign an IP address without requiring any manual configuration. This automatic process allows your computer to communicate with other devices on the network immediately. After connecting the cable, it is important to confirm that the network connection is active. On most operating systems, you can check the network status by looking at the network icon on the screen. A stable connection indicates that your computer is now part of the local area network. If the connection does not activate automatically, you may need to check your network settings and ensure that the Ethernet adapter is enabled. Restarting the computer or checking the cable connection can also resolve common issues. At this stage, if this video is educative, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook. Also, to stay updated, turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video, and engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Once your computer is connected to the local area network, you can begin using shared resources on the network. This may include accessing shared folders, using network printers, or connecting to internal servers. For offices and schools, network administrators often set permissions that control what each computer can access. Understanding these permissions helps you use the network responsibly and securely. Security is another important aspect of connecting to a local area network. Even though local area networks are typically private, it is still essential to use strong passwords, keep your operating system updated, and enable firewall protection. These measures help protect your computer from unauthorized access and malware. A secure network connection ensures that your data remains safe while you work or communicate with others on the network. Troubleshooting is sometimes necessary when connecting to a LAN, a local area network. Common problems include loose cables, incorrect network settings, or outdated network drivers. Learning how to identify these issues will save you time and reduce frustration. Simple steps such as checking cable connections, updating drivers, and restarting network devices often resolve most connection problems. In conclusion, connecting your computer to a local area network LAN is a straightforward process when you understand the basic components and steps involved. A reliable local area network connection improves communication, productivity, and resource sharing in homes, offices, and educational environments. With the knowledge shared in this video, you can confidently connect your computer to a local area network and maintain stable network connections whenever you need it. Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook also to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you will not miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Endeavor to watch my other videos also to learn more. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye until my next video.